Can I figure out the psychology behind Valentine's Day in just 24 hours? Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and I bet you're feeling the pressure. Chocolates, flowers, romantic dinners, it's a day that's supposed to be all about love and connection. But have you ever stopped to think about the psychology behind it all? What drives us to go all out on this one day, and what are the potential pitfalls that can negatively impact our relationships or personal well-being? For many of us, Valentine's Day is a time of mixed emotions. On one hand, it's a chance to shower our loved ones with affection and appreciation. On the other hand, it can be a source of stress and anxiety, especially if we're single or feeling like we don't measure up to societal standards. And let's be real, the pressure to make it a perfect day can be overwhelming. The truth is, Valentine's Day can be a complex and multifaceted holiday. It's a time when our emotions are heightened and our expectations are high. But what happens when reality doesn't live up to our idealized vision of the perfect Valentine's Day? That's when the psychological missteps begin. Societal pressures and expectations play a huge role in shaping our Valentine's Day experiences. We're constantly bombarded with images of perfect couples, romantic getaways, and extravagant gifts. It's no wonder we feel like we need to keep up with these standards. But what about those who don't have a partner to share the day with? Or what about those who simply can't afford to splurge on expensive gifts and dates? Unrealistic expectations are a major psychological mistake people make on Valentine's Day. We expect our partners to read our minds, to know exactly what we want. We expect the day to be perfect, with no hiccups or mishaps. But the truth is, relationships are complex, and people are imperfect. When we set the bar too high, we set ourselves up for disappointment. Gift-giving pressure is another common error. We feel like we need to spend a fortune on the perfect gift, or else our partner will think we don't care. But what if your partner doesn't value material gifts? What if they'd rather spend quality time together? When we focus too much on the gift itself, we miss out on the true meaning of the day. Comparison traps are another pitfall to watch out for. We compare our relationships to those of our friends, family, or social media influencers. We feel like we don't measure up, and that our relationships are somehow less worthy. But the truth is, every relationship is unique, and comparisons are unfair to ourselves and others. So, what are some healthy approaches to Valentine's Day? For starters, we can focus on the things that truly matter: quality time with our loved ones, meaningful conversations, and shared experiences. We can ditch the pressure to impress, and instead focus on showing genuine appreciation and affection. I've had my own share of Valentine's Day mishaps, and I've learned that it's okay to take a step back and reevaluate our priorities. What if, instead of stressing about the perfect gift, we took the time to write a heartfelt letter or create a handmade coupon book? What if, instead of comparing our relationships to others, we focused on nurturing our own connection? Ultimately, Valentine's Day is a chance to connect with ourselves, our partners, and our loved ones. It's a chance to show appreciation, to have fun, and to create meaningful memories. By being more mindful of the psychological mistakes we make on this day, we can have a more fulfilling and enjoyable experience. If you're someone who's struggled with the pressure of Valentine's Day, or if you're looking for ways to make the day more meaningful, then this video is for you. I'd love to hear about your own Valentine's Day experiences and insights in the comments below. If you're interested in more videos on relationships and psychology, be sure to check out my next video on. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let's keep the conversation going, share your thoughts, and let's learn from each other.